Vice President and the Chief of Police of Marikina City Police Station, Police Colonel Earl B. Castillo.
Itong activity na ito ay karugtong sa aming 25th anniversary in the service, in PNP, BJMP, and BFP, na ang tanging layunin ay mapalawak ang serbisyo publiko sa mga kapatid nating Pilipino. Kami po ay lubos at taos-pusong nagpapasalamat sa inyong lahat sa nag-sponsor, Alpha members, Match and Safety officers, and all members of Magilas Class sa pagpaunlak ninyo sa invitational shoot na ito, na isa sa mga layunin ay makatulong sa mga higit na nangangailangan tulad ng mga cancer patients na kabataan sa Quezon City. Ito po ay isang baliktanaw at pasasalamat to our Almighty God for having us all alive, safe, secured, while we are serving our beloved country for 25 years.
Formally introduce our guest of honor speaker for this morning's activity. We have the class president of Magilas Class of 2000, Police Colonel Arturo P. Brual.
Please permit me to introduce our guest of honor and speaker for this morning. It is an honor to introduce to you all, and I am confident that his leadership and service will continue to make a positive impact on the nation for the years to come. Ladies and gentlemen, our guest of honor and speaker, with our round of applause, please welcome Police Brigadier General Sidney Navarro Villaflor.
At the onset, let me thank Police Colonel Arthur P. Brual Jr., the President of PNP Magilas Class 2000, for this gracious invitation to be part of your invitational shoot test. As a law enforcer and public servant for more than 3 decades, I hope that through shoot fests like this, we can further educate a lot of people on the big responsibility of owning and using a firearm. I enjoin everyone to give their best in the different matches or stages prepared by the PNPA Magilas Class 2000, of course.